Hey audio folks, this is Rajiv and this is another tutorial about how to create groups in Pro Tools. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this group here so I can go back to square one. So the advantages of creating groups is that you can put multiple tracks into one track basically. So I have all these drums. I got kick, snare, rack toms, floor tom, overhead left and overhead right. I could put all of those tracks, which is 7 tracks in total, all on one track. So if I wanted to manipulate the entire drum track, all the drums together, I could do so on one track. So if I created a drum group, I could put EQ on the drum group and it affects all the drums. If I wanted to put reverb on the drum group, it puts reverb on all the drums. So that's a way that you can control several tracks with just one track, is creating group tracks in Pro Tools. So what I'm going to do is go to track, hit new, go to stereo and make sure this is set to aux input, and then we can go ahead and title this drum group. Now you can create, a drum group, a guitar group, a vocal group, a synth group, whatever groups that you want, right? But this example is just going to show you how to do a drum group here. And so the idea here is I want to take all of these drums into this one drum group. And so on this drum group track that I created, I'm going to go to the input, go to bus, and choose a bus that I'm not using, which is 1 and 2. And then I want all of these tracks on the output, go to bus 1 and 2 as well. Easiest way you can do this, if you shift click all of your drum tracks like this, right, and you hold down shift and alt, you can click the bus and all of those tracks that you highlighted will go to bus 1 2. So now all of these are going to bus 1 2, which is my drum group here. So I can add an EQ, I can add compression, I could put reverb on the drum group, and it's going to apply to all the drums in this session. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Take care.